Hey everybody, Tom Townsend with Townsend Realty Group and Keller Williams coming to you. I am in Canton, Georgia, right here in Cherokee County. I am outside of a new property that we just acquired, Townsend Realty Group just acquired, and we're actually renovating it. Plan is to go ahead and rent this property out. It actually happens to be a townhouse. I've got some before pictures that we're going to go ahead and throw out there, and then we're going to do a little walkthrough here. So this is just kind of a little case study that we had. Kind of an interesting situation. I'd like to tell you about it real quick. The seller of this particular property was looking for a cash buyer. He had been transferred, moving out of state, and he was looking for a great solution, real quick solution. So we brought in a bunch of cash buyers, cash offers, institutional buyers, laid them all out in front of him, and he wasn't happy with any of them. So what we did is we just kind of crunched the numbers real quick, came up with a solution that we could actually acquire the property from him, met his goals that he was looking for, financial and otherwise, and we acquired the property. So that's kind of one of the services that we actually provide. And so anyways, that being said, and we got this one, we're renovating it right now. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how it's going in there. All right, so we got some painters here right now working, so we're gonna maneuver around them. But as you walk in, you can kind of see we've already got the paint done in the hallways, which is looking great. Ceilings have been painted. We went with Popular Gray, which is a Sherwin-Williams color. We'll try and share that as well, so everybody can kind of see what color schemes we use. But this is downstairs on the main level. There's a really nice room back here. This is kind of an all-purpose room. It could be used as a bedroom. It has a half a bath right over there. It has a closet. It has two access, ingress, egress doors, if you will. Getting a little technical on you. But anyways, this could be a family room. This could be a playroom. This could be a bedroom. It could be an office. It could be a lot of different things. So anyways, this looks great. Really good. They fixed the ceiling. There was some issues with the ceiling. We got that all taken care of and done. Plumbers were in here. They did that. So now we're just getting the painting done. Yeah, there's the half bath. We'll spend a little time in here. Half bath. We're getting new flooring. Probably keep the counters and the sink and some of the light fixtures right now, being that it's going to be a rental. We do a little bit different renovation work when we do rentals than if we were to turn around and sell this. So anyways, so this is looking good. All right, so I'm walking in still on the main floor. This property has 3 levels, so I'm still on the main floor. We're actually in the garage, the one-stall garage now. We had them paint it because it was pretty beat up in here. So we had them paint here. It looks great. Another thing that we did is we had 2 brand new air conditioning systems put in. The ones that were here were original. They weren't working very well, and I was like, no, let's just go ahead and get new ones in there. So we got brand new air conditioning systems in here. Furnaces are original, but we got that. All looks good. So garage looks great. They did a great job in here. All right, so we're on the 2nd floor here. This is where the main living area is, the kitchen, and you got a fireplace here, so on and so forth. Once again, fresh paint. Looks great. Looks really good. The guys and gals are still here fixing up. The flooring's going to get new. We got new carpeting coming in next week. So we're excited about this one. All right, so obviously we're in the kitchen. So not doing a whole heck of a lot in here. The kitchen was actually in really good condition. I've got the gas stove here. We're going to go ahead and keep that. The dishwasher matches that in black. I have a refrigerator coming. With everything that's going on with the pandemic and such, everything's back ordered. So I can't get that for a couple weeks, but it is coming. Everything else looks great. We're going to keep the cabinets the same. We're just going to get it nice and cleaned up. We are putting new flooring in, so we're getting the new LVP flooring, the floating flooring coming in, and that will be here next week as well. The doors look wonderful. Once again, they just needed to be freshened up, fresh coat of paint on everything, and they've done a really good job. It really makes it pop now, so I'm really pleased with all the trim work and the doors that have been painted. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the outside here. Now, this is going to be a project. So what I originally wanted to do was put all new deck boards in, deck railing, the whole bit. we are having an issue getting wood. You can't find it anywhere because of everything that's going on. They're all back ordered, so on and so forth. So I do have a guy coming in. He said he can get some handrails in. We're probably going to try and get a couple replacement pieces together. We're going to power wash this, clean it up as best as we can, and then we're going to stain it a solid stain. We're kind of going with a lighter gray. So I'm really anxious to kind of see how that's going to turn out. So not exactly what I really wanted to do, but it is what it is. But yeah, you can kind of see that it definitely needs some work. So anyways, so that's what we're going to do out here. That's probably going to be next week as well. That'll be taken care of. But great backyard. You know, the HOA takes care of the lawn maintenance here, so you don't have to worry about that. That's a big bonus, a big plus with it back here. But nice and private. You know, it's nice. It's right back here. It's nice and private. All right, so this is the master bedroom, but the paint looks great in here. This is looking really, really good. Once again, flooring's going to be brand new next week. Has a full bathroom off of that and a huge walk-in closet too. Turn that off. All right, but full bathroom in here. Nice bay windows. We've got some windows that are coming in as well. It's very typical for these windows, the ceilings, the seals to bust on them. So I've got a window guy coming in. We're gonna get all new paned windows with the ones that have broken seals. So those will come in the next 2 weeks. All right, so this is the second bedroom on the top floor, which also has its own full bathroom in here. We don't have the light working right yet, so it might be a little bit dark. Here's a great example of what we got going on with the windows. You see how these are all fogged up? Seals have obviously busted, and the gas has leaked out, so those all got to be replaced. So they're getting replaced next week. Once again, looks great. Just very happy with the progress that they're making with the painting. It looks really good.